Hi everyone, this is Jam Gonzalez, a former OFW in Thailand, a marketing executive for 2 years, and I built 12 businesses here in the Philippines, specifically in Palawan. 12 years ago, as much as I can recall, I prayed for something that could give me a miracle in my life. And yun yung time na na-meet ko siya sa coffee shop kung saan madalas naman siya pumupunta. Pero that day, doon ako nagkaroon ng connection, doon ako nagkaroon ng pagkakilala sa isang Miss Pearl Hong. It was a magical and miracle moment when I met Miss Pearl Hong when she was 18 years old in my coffee shop. One moment in my life na bumagsak yung mga negosyo ko. Wala nagtitiwala, I have no confidence, wala akong pera, baon sa utang, and halos hindi makatulog. Sabi ko, makakabangon pa ba ako? Narinig ko sa kanya that I believe in you. Sabi ko, may tao pa lang, kahit ano yung past mo, kayang maniwala, kaya mong bumangon dahil sa words niya. I remember I had 12 businesses for the past 10 years na nag-close. Isa lang na-realize ko, nung time na yon, talagang pinupush ko yung success the way I want it, na walang guide kung paano gagawin. Hindi nag-last. When Miss Pearl Hong guided me kung paano talaga maging successful, maging more fulfilling ang buhay, maging better, mag-improve, maging happy, in all aspect, gumaan yung buhay ko and nakuha ko yung success sa tamang practice, sa tamang teaching, and nag-transform ang buhay ko because tumama yung character, tumama yung perspective, tumama yung attitude. Kaya yung success, long-lasting, and ramdam na ramdam ko yung transformation sa buhay ko. Because now, I live kung paano niya nililib yung buhay niya as a good example, as a good leader. I love you, Pearl Hong, for being that person na naglilive ng buhay. You making me feel that I can make it happen to sa buhay ko. Miss Pearl Hong, the moment I met you, I recognized and I felt that you are really here to make a difference sa buhay ng maraming tao. You are a family to me. Hindi lang pala yung pamilya, yung by blood, pero parang you are born to be my sister. Ikaw yung someone that I can really depend upon. You are the wind beneath my wings. I soar high because of you. I fly like an eagle. I'm really here for you no matter what. I love you so much. Naniniwala ako, maraming katulad ko na naghahanap lang ng taong maniniwala sa kanya para ma-unleash yung potential. And I know, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, hindi lang sa Palawan, merong Jam Gonzalez na nag-aantay na magsasabi sa kanya that you can bounce back. And you are here for a purpose sa Miss Global Journey. I know this is your destiny to win. Kaya I'm really excited seeing you exploring life, exploring your potentials, growing so much right now, nag-e-enjoy ka, empowering many people. Word mo pa lang, just one word can really transform a life. Kaya excited ako that Miss Global could really a vehicle for transformation ng napakaraming tao sa mundo. Hindi lang 1 million, but billion of lives will be touched because of this Miss Global crown that I know you will win. I am Jam Gonzalez, a former OFW and a traditional business owner, and I am empowered by Pearl Hong.